I'm gonna show you how to set 44 moving average on TradingView. So to get started, you have to open tradingview.com first and then log in into your account. And then once you are there, you just have to select anything that you want to trade. And then from there, you just have to click on indicators located at the top pane right over here. And when you locate the indicators, you have to click on this one. And then from there, you just have to search moving average. So we have to search moving average first. So you have to type moving average and then select moving average, either exponential, simple, or anything that you want. So from here, to configure the settings, all you have to do is just go to the upper left corner pane right here and then click on settings. So from here, you will see that the length is a 9 number. So you have to change it to 44 since we want a 44 moving average. From there, you can custom the style, the color of the line, the width, the precision, and the visibility. Also, you can edit or change the visibility. So from here, when you're done configuring the settings, all you have to do is just press OK, and then you will see the moving average on the chart. So that's it. That's how to set up 44 moving average on TradingView.